In one of the previous videos we made a simple character controller, but there is one major problem to be solved: the rotation smoothness. When you move the mouse fast enough, you almost doesn't feel it, but if you try to go slow, it could start to feel very laggy. It's easy to fix, we just need to use loop. First, we need to add these two variables to store current rotation and update this block in unhandled input to update them instead of instant applying. Now, in physics process, add new block where we apply the rotation using loop. And now the camera is rotating smooth whenever you're moving the mouse fast or slow. On video it could be barely seen, but when you're actually running the scene, the difference felt drastically. The code could be simplified if we switch to radians, which Godot use internally, and move our magic numbers to variables. Add these new export variables to adjust the loop weight and mouse sensitivity, and constant for pre-calculated value that we are using for rotation clamp. Update unhandled input and physics process to use these variables. With bigger loop weight, the rotation is sharper and closer to instant applying. Smaller value makes it more viscous. The max rotation constant is something we also may want to adjust, so let's make it as export variable and add a setter so we can set the rotation boundary in the editor using degrees, and our code uses it but as radians. Also, we can add probe to handle capture on launch, so we could easily enable or disable it before the launching. The last one is a micro perf update. If we are not moving, we could skip the direction multiplying by speed in physics process and just set it to 0. Hope this was useful. Press something, write something, and see you.